everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets blank screen. If Google Sheets opens but only shows a blank white screen, don't worry, this is usually caused by a poor internet connection, outdated app or browser data, browser extensions, or temporary glitches. So here are the best ways to fix it. So first, you need to check your internet connection. So go to your settings and tap or select Wi-Fi. Then check if you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also switch between Wi Fi and mobile data if you're on a phone. You can restart your router if you're using Wi Fi. Then you can refresh the page or reopen the app after reconnecting. So, a weak or unstable connection can prevent Google Sheets from loading properly. Next is to update the Google Sheets app. So, open App Store or Play Store, then search for Google Sheet. So if you're using the mobile app, make sure it's up to date. So you can tap update in here if an update is available. Next, you can try to refresh or reopen Google Sheets. So sometimes the page simply fails to load correctly. So on mobile, completely close the Google Sheets app and then open it again. Then see if that works. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.